You might get wet.
Wet?
Oh yeah, you gotta cross the water.
It's a bridge.
No, it's closed.
A few minutes before, he had walked down this hill to check it out and had neglected to mention to me that there was a water crossing, that you couldn't actually access the bridge, which is why I was confused there for a minute as to where we were headed.
Colonies. Ah, c'est juste des souliers. Ouais, c'est vite. C'est tout l'équipement pour ça. You gonna try it?
I don't know.
If you do, stay on. Do you see my track there? You can take the bridge and I can cross it for you if you want. Yeah, walk on the bridge.
I think I would have went in the water.
I think so.
You were smart to stay here. We didn't get soaked.
Oh, mais oui. Donc, on descend pas là.
Merci.
Sorry, I've got you sideways here. I was holding Sebastian's helmet with the GoPro on top as I climbed over the side.
That was fun.
Was it?